Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to cancel your Peacock TV subscription. You can do this on both phone or mobile and on your computer on desktop. As you can see here on my phone, you cannot do it in the Peacock TV app. You actually have to go to like a browser like Safari, go to peacocktv.com and sign in from your web browser. So I do want to show you that as well. So the steps are exactly the same. So here we are on the Peacock TV website. I've logged into my account. You want to click on your user image or profile image in the corner of the page here. It's going to take you to your account selection page here. We want to go to the account settings, which is the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. It'll take you to plans and payment. Here under plans and payment, you're going to see an option under your plan where it'll show you your current plan right there, and then the option in red text that says cancel plan. If you click on the red text that says cancel, says, are you sure you want to cancel your plan? Go ahead and confirm by clicking on cancel plan once more. And then it says a confirmation email has been sent to your email address, and you'll have access to the premium account for, however long from when you last paid for your premium account. So for me, it would be on August 30th, 2024, and I can use the full version of Peacock until that date. Now again, here on mobile on my phone, I'm on the Peacock TV website. You'll just tap the profile image there in the upper right-hand corner, take you to your selection page here, tap into the account settings, the gear icon where it says account, and then you'll see the option here to cancel under plans and payment. Tap on the red cancel link, it'll take you to a confirmation. And then you'll see that you have access to the premium plan until your plan runs out. So that will be 30 days from when you last made a payment, whether it be automatic or manual. If you have any questions about how to do this, please put that in the comment section down below. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.